Need a large industrial building? Just off the number 1 and close to an airport, 3 miles west of Portage la Prairie. With 2,000 square feet of office space, with 4 offices, service counters and in-floor heat. 5,000 square feet of warehouse, shop area, with hoists, was a remachining shop, has 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, an overhead door, lots of parking, fully serviced, municipal water, high-speed internet and security system. There are a lot of possibilities that this building could be. Think about how it might meet your needs and give me a call.